Ground Southwest 381, push at gate 4 with X-ray will be de-icing.
And Southwest, you can push at your discretion when runway 24.
Push at discretion, we'll call you for the taxi, plane 24 Southwest 381.
Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead you to these exits. If there is an evacuation, follow flight attendant instructions and leave everything. And if there is a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove that vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch.
Delta 2449, we're just pushing out for Alpha 9 with Yankee for de-ice.
Delta 2449, push at your discretion.
Our discretion, Delta 2449. Delta 2449, taxi for de-ice.
Delta 2449, taxi via Sierra Charlie, Willie, contact de-ice 122.77.
Sierra Charlie 2227, Delta 2449.
That's 12277.
12277, Delta 2449.
There's a picture of a light bulb above your head. Go ahead and push that, and it'll give you some extra light.
Southwest 1192, 86 with Yankee for push, we'll need to de-ice here.
Southwest 1192, badly ground, push at your discretion. You can expect runway 24, and are you just de-icing at the gate?
Yeah, we'll just be at the gate for 24. Southwest 1192.
For Trick a Day.
Ground Southwest 381, taxi Alpha 4 with X-ray.
Calling ground, say again.
Southwest 381, taxi from Alpha 4 with X-ray.
Southwest 381, Yankee is now current, runway 24, taxi via Sierra Echo Charlie, cross runway 33.
Sierra Echo Charlie 24, cleared across 33, we'll get Yankee Southwest 381. Hello, Tower Southwest 381, ready for departure, runway 24.
Southwest 381, Bradley Tower, wind 180 at 5, turn right heading 280, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Right turn 280, clear for takeoff, runway 24, Southwest 381.
381, contact departure, good day.
Departure Southwest 381, good day.
Southwest 381, Brett, contact my maintain 10,000.
I maintain 10,000 Southwest 381.
Over 7572 Victor, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 29886, state destination. Southwest 381, turn right direct Chester, be advised light lime icing reported leaving 4,500.
Direct Chester Southwest 381.
Southwest 381, contact Boston Center 132.65.
13265 Southwest 381, good day.
Southwest 381, Boston.
Oh, stop checking in Southwest 381, 9,500 to 10,000.
Southwest 381, Boston Center, come and maintain 17,000.
I maintain 17,000 Southwest 381.
Alright, we have reached 10,000 feet. You may now use your larger portable electronic devices. Just make sure that United 50, contact Boston Center 134.3. 134.3, United. Our modified beverage service for you.
Boston Center.
One
12135 Southwest 381, good day.